Na nagulat ako, hindi ko alam. Pag-uwi ko, when I was in ABS yesterday and then I was dressing up.
Na-stress ka lang ata kay Gabi.
Hindi naman. Hi everybody! I'm live again. Finally. Kasi I'm working today. I'm shooting a commercial. I just wanted to say hello to all of you habang inayusan ako ni B. Si TF. Baka yung maganda dali. Sabi mo naman para makasagot ako. Kasi, sige na.
Ganda mo, madam, ngayon.
I know, right? Actually, kay Bigaling yung ginaya ko lang. How are you all? Ba't ang quiet nyo? Take na po, direct.
I was just waiting for that.
I'm so for the bag. Okay, sorry. Okay, sorry. I'm shooting a commercial, so nahiya ako bigla nag-quiet lahat. Hi, how are all of you? Thank you so much. Hindi makabahas na. So,
nandito din ako.
Ay, nakita ko.
Ito. Live stream, live time, real time.
Katabi ko. Hi, Sean. Hi.
Oh my God.
Sorry, I'm snorting.
Tingnan ko siya.
Hi everybody, I just want to say I love you. I can't stay long, and I can't read because my glasses aren't with me, but I love you. I've missed all of you. And I want to thank you because I've been back to work since yesterday. I'm still jet lagging, but it's okay. Because blessings, diba? So, we're busy with the ABS-CBN Christmas special also, but today I'm shooting a commercial. So, I just wanted to say hi and check in with you, and I love you all. God bless you. I will try to get back to you soon, okay? Love you guys. Please take care and have a great, great day. Happy weekend. How do you, there? Sorry, nalimot ko.
How do you end?